Welcome to Secret Society Sounds, where we bring you the best in new music and share our knowledge with emerging artists. Today, we're exploring some unique ways that producers can make money in the industry. Whether you're just starting out or are an established producer, these tips will help you generate income and build a successful career. Virtual events. With the rise of virtual events and streaming platforms, producers can now make money by creating and hosting their own live events online. This can include concerts, DJ sets, workshops, and more. Virtual events can be a great way to connect with fans and generate income, especially during times when live events are not possible. Custom beats. Many producers make money by creating custom beats for rappers and other artists. This can include creating beats for specific tracks, or selling beats on a royalty-free basis for use in multiple songs. Custom beats can be a lucrative way to generate income, especially if you have a unique sound or style that is in demand. Audio branding. Producers with a strong understanding of sound design and audio branding can make money by creating audio logos and sound effects for businesses. Audio branding can be used in commercials, websites, and other media to create a unique and memorable audio identity for a brand. Sync licensing. Producers can also make money by licensing their music for use in films, TV shows, commercials, and other media. Sync licensing can be a great way to generate income and expose your music to new audiences. In order to be eligible for sync licensing, it's important to register your music with a performance rights organization and have a strong portfolio of tracks to showcase. Songwriting. Many producers also make money by writing and producing songs for other artists. This can include writing lyrics and melodies, as well as creating the instrumental tracks. Songwriting can be a lucrative way to generate income, especially if you are able to collaborate with successful artists and write hit songs. By understanding these unique ways that producers can make money, you can develop a strategy to generate income and build a successful career in the music industry. Don't be afraid to explore different revenue streams and see what works best for you. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your goals in the music industry. Thanks for watching Secret Society Sounds, the go-to source for underground artist education about the music industry. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. We're excited to bring you the best in new music and share our knowledge with emerging artists. Until next time, keep it locked to Secret Society Sounds.